Welcome back to our chapter-wise summary series on The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Dr. Joseph Murphy. Today, we're diving into Chapter 2, How Your Own Mind Works. In this chapter, Dr. Murphy explains the two parts of your mind, the conscious mind and the subconscious mind. Think of the conscious mind as the captain of a ship. It gives orders. The subconscious mind is the crew. It carries out those orders, whether they're helpful or harmful. Your subconscious doesn't reason or judge. It simply accepts whatever the conscious mind believes to be true. If you say, to yourself, I can't do this, your subconscious agrees and creates that reality. But if you feed your subconscious positive, constructive thoughts, like I am confident and capable, it begins working to make those beliefs come true in your life. Dr. Murphy also emphasizes the power of repetition and emotion. The more you repeat a belief, especially with feeling, the more deeply it sinks into your subconscious. He shares examples of people who have overcome fear, doubt, and illness simply by changing their thoughts and allowing the subconscious mind to guide them toward healing and success. Let's take an example. Imagine you're afraid of public speaking. You repeat to yourself daily, I enjoy speaking confidently in front of others. With repetition and belief, your subconscious starts to shift your